How to play Terraria multiplayer Steam. For this, open up a browser that you prefer on your PC, then search for Steam. Make sure to log into your Steam account first and foremost. Once you have successfully logged into your Steam account, in the search bar right here, go ahead and search for Terraria. Select Terraria game from this suggestion. Then again, tap on it to purchase if you have not purchased it yet. You can just scroll down, then tap on add to cart, and you will have to do necessary payment for this. Once it is installed, now just go ahead and launch your Terraria gaming. Then right here in this option, you have to select the option of multiplayer from here. So just go ahead and tap on the option of multiplayer. Now once you tap on it, you will find this option of invite only or friends only. If you tap on friends only, it will display list of your friends that are currently online and you can play with. Then just select a character that you want to play on your Terraria. Now if you are creating a server, you can also select if you want a password in this or not. So this is if you select the option of invite only, where you send an invitation to your friend. If you add a server password, they have to enter the password to enter, and by doing this, no any other public can join in your server. Now once you do this, you can just go ahead and tap on the play icon, and simply like that, enjoy your Terraria with your friends on Steam. Isn't it simple? So make sure to go ahead and give it a try, and thank you so much for tuning in.